Heard of the hatch light, but not sure exactly how amazing it can be to solve your early mornings? This is the video for you. Hi, my name is Jensine Kesey, and I'm a pediatric sleep consultant. And today we are going to talk all about the hatch. We took a little field trip. I am in my son's room because I want to show you exactly how the hatch works and why I love it so much. Exactly, the touch. So there are multiple ways that you can use this hatch. You can use it as a nightlight and you can use it as a sound machine. One of the really nice things about it is that it comes with an app that connects to your phone so that I am able to control this remotely even when I'm not in the same room as the actual hatch. So the reason that I really love it for early morning wakings is because you can set it and have your child learn how to use it and what the different lights mean. So for example, we have two colors. At night, when my boys come into their room, it turns on and it's red. So they know that red means bed, and they stay in their bed the entire time that their hatch is red. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's red. You can also, it also has a sound machine feature, so you can also turn it to the sound machine. So this is what it looks like when it's red. They know that anytime that the hatch is red, that they need to stay in their beds or at least in their rooms. And then they know when it turns to green, that they are welcome to get out of their room and the day can start. This also works really, really well at naps, because I turn on the sound machine feature and they know they need to stay in here until the sound machine turns off, and then nap time is over or rest time is over and they can leave their room. The way that you really need to talk to your child about introducing the hatch is letting them know that the hatch has all the power. Part of the reason with toddlers and preschoolers that they don't stay in their bed is because it becomes a little bit of a power struggle, and they really just need to understand why they can't just open the door and walk out at any point in time. And we really want to give the hatch as the reason why. The light is telling us that we need to stay in our bed. The light is now telling us that we need to come out. So anytime that they are coming out of their room and it's not yet green, or it's not yet the color that you choose to be morning or get up time, you need to bring them back into their room and remind them that they need to be staying in their room until this changes. So really setting this as the example and the reasoning behind why you're giving that explanation. Toddlers need things that are concrete, that they can see, that they can feel, that they can touch, to know what the expectations are. So the hatch is just a really great concrete example of exactly when they can do something and exactly when they don't have to do something. But we also need them to buy in first. So really introducing it, having them open it up. If you're buying a new one, have them open it from the package. Have them decide where they want it to be. This is not set right now, so when I touch it, I can change the colors, I can change the brightness. But there is a toddler lock feature on it, so that if they touch it at all during the night, see, now it will move. If I touch it, it will turn the sound on. But there is a feature that you can do a toddler lock, so no matter what they do to it, they can touch it all they want, they can unplug it, it will still stay at whatever you set it as. So I love the toddler lock feature. Hatch, if you're watching this, I absolutely love that feature because it makes it really, really easy for us as parents to be able to keep this consistent and know that even if they touch it, they can't manually change it. It can only be changed through the app. And again, the app being remote and manual makes it easy for a parent, because say I need them to wake up earlier one day. Say something happens and I just need a couple more minutes in the morning before they come out. I can manually change it on my phone so they won't know the difference. They just know that their light has not yet changed and they think it's still night, or they think it's time to wake up based on what I am manually changing it to. So if you have a toddler that is waking up early, I touched it. If you have a toddler that is waking up early, the hatch is the way to go. Again, really setting that expectation. Red means bed, green means go or get up, and then reiterating that every time they come to bed, talking about the light, every time they wake up early, at a time that it has not changed, bringing them back and talking about it again. Yes, this video is all about strategies for older children, but you can start using the Hatch at any point. Again, because it's a light and a sound machine, you can use it in a nursery for a newborn. You can set the brightness of it to be different. So if you're doing an overnight diaper change, you can change it a little bit brighter as they're going back to sleep and you're putting them back into the crib. You can turn that brightness down so you can still get around the room, but be safe. There are a bunch of different sounds that it comes with too. So it doesn't just have like the kind of basic static white noise. You can change it to rain. You can change it to, I think there's like a forest. I can actually look right now and see there's ocean waves, there's lullabies, there's rain, there's forest, there's birds. So there's lots of different choices depending on what kind of white or pink noise your child prefers. So if you have any questions about the Hatch, so happy to answer them. I, again, absolutely love this product and I could talk about it all day. Have a good one.